Hello friends, today we are going to learn the modern methods of irrigation, which includes the tubewells, perennial canals, sprinklers and drip system. So let us move forward, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. So here comes the first method, tubewells. Tubewells are deep wells that draw water using pumps, and it is ideal in areas which has abundant groundwater supply and where the soil is soft for the construction of tubewells. Now these tubewells are mostly found in areas like northern plains, UP, Bihar, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat. That is, you can see, it is the Ganga Valley region. So the prerequisite is that there should be plenty of groundwater, regular supply of cheap electricity for running the pump, fertile and productive region so that the cost can be recovered quickly, the cost of installation of the tubewell. So advantages of this type of system is that you can irrigate a large area, that is around 400 hectares, by using a tubewell, and it can draw water from deep underneath, from very deep underground. It can draw the water, but it has disadvantages as well. So it is very expensive to install, and also it does a lot of exploitation to the groundwater level. So now next we move on to perennial canals. Perennial canals are canals which flow throughout the year because it is fed by perennial rivers or by dams, and it supports multiple cropping seasons. That is, all the year round you will get water from this kind of canals for irrigation, and it is lined for preventing the seepage and underground seepage of the water from these canals. And the advantages are that you will get water all the year round, and these waters are rich in sediments because it is coming from the rivers, and it adds to the fertility of the soil. And this type of canal is cheap in the long run, although it is a little bit costly during the construction, but in the long run it becomes very cheap. Now there are some disadvantages of these type of irrigation as well, like there is seepage of water if it is not properly lined, and this leads to water logging and erosion. The water present over here is the breeding ground for mosquitoes, which causes many vector-borne diseases, and it also causes salt effervescence. So what is salt effervescence? If you want to know, let me know in the comment section. And this salt effervescence is very harmful, as the harmful salts gets mixed with the soil, and it reduces the fertility of the soil. So this type of irrigation is found in flat level land where the soil is soft for the construction of the canal, mostly in northern plains, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Bihar. Now we move on to sprinkler irrigation system. So sprinkler irrigation is the need of the hour. It is just like natural rainfall, which is used from the spraying nozzles, and it saves water and ensures even distribution. It is also good for uneven terrain like in the mountains, hill regions. Okay, so let us now go on to the advantages and disadvantages of this type of irrigation. Advantage is that there is no loss of water, no evaporation loss, and the water reaches to every part of the field uniformly, and there is no chances of over irrigation because these are, as you can see in the picture, there are pipes set and there are nozzles, and there is a regulating system over there, so you can regulate the amount of water, how much water you want to provide to the field, and in the form of fountain, in the form of rainfall, the water comes out from this nozzle pipes, and they irrigate the whole land like when rainfall occurs. So it is just a mimicry of the rainfall, and it is very modern method and very useful. Installation is a little bit expensive. This is one of the disadvantage, and the nozzle sometimes gets blocked due to some depositions, and the distribution is found in arid, semi-arid and hilly areas because over there you cannot afford the other irrigation methods like canal, tubewells. and it is mainly found in Rajasthan and Haryana in our country. So now we will move on to drip irrigation, the last part. Here in drip irrigation, this is also a very modern method, and here the water is supplied slowly at the plant roots. Here in the picture you can see that the pipes are provided in the soil. There are long pipes that are placed inside in the soil, and from those pipes there is nozzle attached to the pipes, and from those nozzles the water comes out slowly, and it provides water directly to the root system. So it also prevents water loss from evaporation, and it is very suitable for vegetables and orchard irrigation. So this system also has a lot of advantages and disadvantages like all the other methods. So here the advantages are that water reaches crop roots and no evaporation is occurred over here. There is no runoff because it is directly provided to the roots. This is not expensive in the long run, although installation cost is a little bit higher. This also minimizes leaching, as amount of water is regulated by us, and we can provide water directly to the roots of the plants. But the disadvantages are again over here. The pores can be, the pipe pores and the nozzles are clogged by minerals and others, muds and all those things, and the initial cost of installation is also very high for these type of irrigations, but they are very modern and very effective. Once if you can install it, they can help you and provide a lot of productivity in the long run. And distribution of these type of irrigation is found in Maharashtra, so Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. So here we have completed the modern irrigation types of the irrigation system in water resource chapter in geography for class 10 ICSE, and also for CBSE class 9 water resource. So I hope this information and this video was useful to you. Please subscribe to my channel for supporting me, and give a like and also leave behind comment if you want to know anything else. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next video.